Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we start here with the bearish wave count, the Elliott wave count, the bearish scenario, which is also my primary one. Primarily, I still have to expect for Ethereum that we are going to see a lower low below 880 US dollars. Again, I have to repeat it. Every low that is now made below 880 could be the last one. Generally, any low could now be the last one. Yeah, we are generally in a situation at the moment where we have a possible trend change scenario. This is basically the first time in the last 8 months that we can observe this. And because all the altcoins have hit target areas, and also Ethereum and Bitcoin, we have to be on high alert that the trend could be changing to the upside. However, then I don't think it's doing it yet, but it's worth tracking bullish scenarios as well. But primarily, I still expect a lower low until certain price ranges are broken. And for Ethereum, that would be a move above the 1280 level and consequently then a move to 1500. For now, here in the bearish scenario, I've made a change. Nothing has changed in the sense that it would invalidate anything or that wouldn't have happened anyway in this scenario. So, I just changed the labeling. It hasn't really changed anything, but it allows me to follow more closely the Bitcoin wave count, which I think is more likely. So here Ethereum from the low on the 18th of June moved up in a W and came down in an X, moved up in a Y wave. This is, by the way, a wave 4. Then we are now in this fifth wave down. Now in this fifth wave, we've already done 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think we're now heading down in 5. Now there's two options. This could just be a first wave of the fifth wave, or the wave 5 will be very long and will take us below 880. This is not yet very clear. My guess would be that this is just a first wave of a fifth wave. Now, what we have seen here then is a 1, 2 already. Yeah, as I said, the 3 done, the 4 done, probably. Yeah, because we have seen quite a bearish reaction here to the target area, which is great. Yeah, so that worked out. Target reached, and we are now heading down here in a fifth wave. That is what would follow next. Best indication for that, well, what would be the best indication that we're actually unfolding already in a fifth wave is probably a move below 1075. You can see there was a bit of support. If we go below that, it's probably likely that we hit the $1,000 level and then also make a lower low. So that's what I would expect next. Theoretically, we can still go a bit higher in the wave 4. Let me actually check that out. Maybe not, maybe we can. I'll double check that now for you. Yes, we can move a little bit higher. Yeah, we can move to 1158. So as long as we stay below 1158, no, sorry, I'm wrong. No, we can't really. So a move here, the 50% fib retracement was 1130. So a move above 1130, we would need to consider something different. I don't think that in this case it will still be a wave 4. Yeah, a move above 1130 will probably trigger a different scenario. I explained that scenario for Bitcoin already. It's a so-called WXYXZ correction where we will have an extended correction up then. That means on the flip side that a move above 1130 would for me unlock prices all the way up to 1280. Yeah, so this is what I expect next, a reversal to the downside. And so we need to be on high alert for that. A move below 1075 would give a good indication that this is actually happening. Now in the bullish scenario, where are we here? This is Ethereum in the bullish scenario where we would expect that here a wave 2 has been completed and that we are heading up in a wave 3 that would take us above 1280. Now to keep this scenario alive, we should ideally hold the $1,000 level. A drop below that would still be possible to count as a bullish scenario. Would have to be some relabeling then. For me personally, the least likely option at the moment, and also here in line with the Bitcoin video, I would have to probably do a bit of relabeling in a sense that I don't think that this wave 4 was finished here. I think we have to relabel it that way, that also in the bullish scenario, we expect another dip down purely because, and from here then we will start to the upside, purely because the rally that we've seen, the small rally here, is corrective in nature. We have a few overlaps. I mean, it's possible, yeah, it's possible, but I said even if we go here above 1130, I would expect the price of 1280. So in any case, if we go above 1130, first of all, we would probably reach 1280. That's my view. Yeah, in the bullish or bearish scenario, whatever. We will only know if we break the 1280 or we will never know. It is more about what is more likely then. If we break above 1280, that we're actually in the bullish scenario, okay? So yeah, but primarily I would now expect also here that this was a wave 4, because this is for me a corrective move up. Now coming down impulsively, possibly hitting once more the $1,000 level, or going even a bit lower. If we go lower than $1,000, what would be next support? In my opinion, next support then would be sort of, and we can add the VPVR for that onto the chart. So there isn't much there, but if we look at there's a bit of a support zone around $950, $960. So again, primarily I do expect still to make a lower low below 880. Short term, I would expect it to come down. Yeah, in both the bullish and the bearish scenario. So short term, I expect a move down. Should we go above 1130, then I would expect a move up to 1280. So hopefully that was clear. Again, maybe quick summary here on the chart. This is again the bearish scenario. You can see it. I expect to move in a wave 5 to the downside. Should, however, we for whatever reason move up from here, we flip into this other scenario, WXYXZ, where a move up to 1280 is possible. Good. That's my view about Ethereum. Hopefully it was clear. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.